Hey everyone, here's a simple recipe for aloo puri, a tasty and savory snack that you can enjoy with aloo curry or any of your favorite chutney. Take 3 cups of whole wheat flour, add 3 boiled and grated potatoes, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, salt to taste, add in some mixed herbs, this is optional. Mix everything well. Add water as required and knead a semi-soft dough. Add a tablespoon of oil and knead again. Cover and let it rest for half an hour. Now the dough is ready for making puffed up aloo puri. Just knead for another minute or so. Take small portion of the dough. Roll into a round shape with the help of a rolling pin. Dust some flour if required so that it doesn't stick. Roll all the aloo puri similarly and keep aside. Heat sufficient oil to deep fry the puris. Fry until golden on both the sides. Until then, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on that little notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming videos. Fry all the aloo puri similarly. Enjoy this yummy, tasty, savory aloo puri with chutney or aloo ki sabzi. I have shared the recipe for special aloo ki sabzi that goes well with these puris. Make sure to check it out.